It's 9 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. Specifically at the Jack in the Box, where I like to stop and get some coffee and rest a little bit and then keep going. I've been out for a while. I'll show you how I got here. This is Desert Cove Road. One of my viewers, who used to live out here and who now lives where it's cold and snowy, wanted me to turn the camera to the side so you could see the beautiful plants that he misses. I'll see if I can identify them as we ride by. Of course, those are palm trees. And that's a mesquite. The plant there with the red flowers there is bougainvillea. That's a weeping bottlebrush. Not exactly sure what kind of tree that is. If you know, please tell me. Oh, there's a saguaro skeleton holding that flag up. And there's an ocotillo. They usually bloom as it gets a little bit warmer. Looks like some classic deserty plants in bloom there. I don't really remember the name of those. More bougainvillea. Just loves the sun. As you can see, lawns are fairly rare around here. Mostly people do desert landscaping, gravel, and a few plants or rocks. Here are some more palm trees. Oleanders are very popular around here. They grow well. sometimes too well. Well, there's a nice yard with lots of nice little palm trees. Pretty sure that's artificial turf. Looks good. I like living in a place where I can see palm trees. They basically tell me it's not going to get too cold in the winter. Well, let's duck down one of these little cul-de-sacs. This is what I like about pedaling around. If you walked down a cul-de-sac like this, you'd seem kind of suspicious. And I'm always aware that there are eyes on me, some human, some canine, so I pedal around and then wander off. Next stop for me will be Jack in the Box to get some more coffee. And if I missed a plant going by that caught your eye, please comment. I want to know about it. I'll go back and take a look at it again. And of course, if you're a stinker and all you have is negative things to say, please don't. This is Cactus Road, and as you can tell by my shadow, I'm moving due west, the sun to my back. Well, here we are at Jack in the Box. Time for some of that delicious coffee, and I want to thank you for riding along with me. and hope you'll come back and ride with me again.